Hello, this is Nick Carletta, a meteorologist at the National Weather Service office in Grand Forks, North Dakota, with a web briefing for you today about our warm-up coming up in the next week. First, I'll start with an overview. The bottom line for this event is that there is a warm-up to near normal temperatures early next week. So far, the month of November, we have been below normal temperatures, with much below normal temperatures for the past couple days. This weekend, we will be warming up. And into early next week, on Monday, we'll be warming up even more with a return to near normal temperatures. Before we move into the forecast, let's start with what's been happening the past couple days. What we have here is a climate graph for Fargo, North Dakota. What is now circled in red is a box that shows the observed high and low temperature. Inside this green area here are the normal temperatures for November. The bottom line is the normal low temperatures, and the top line is the normal high temperatures. November 1st, the circled box, is within this normal range. The past couple days, though, since about the 5th, they have been moving into this blue range, which is with the below normal temperatures, and especially below normal on November 9th, where the observed high temperature at the top of the box is below the entire normal range, as seen by this arrow here. Moving on in Grand Forks, we can see a similar pattern. Especially notable in Grand Forks is that the bottom of this box goes all the way down to the end of the blue region, which means their record was set or exceeded at that date. Now let's look at what the observed high temperatures were this past Thursday, November 9th. Temperatures varied across the region, but were all below normal, ranging from 18 down in Fargo in the Southern Valley up to colder temperatures up in the Northern Valley, particularly near the Canadian border. Now let's take a look at the forecast going forward. This weekend, Saturday and Sunday, we will see highs in the 25 to 35 degree range. On Saturday, we will see some more cloud cover with some snow chances, particularly up in the Lake of the Woods area, with Sunday having little to no snow chance. Moving forward into Monday to Tuesday, we will see warmer temperatures, with temperatures ranging from 30 to 40 in the high temperatures on Monday, and even warmer in the 35 to 45 degree range on Tuesday. Tuesday also will have a chance of some mixed precip across the area, and we'll talk about that more later in this briefing. Now let's take a look at the high temperatures that Tuesday across the area. Down further in the Southern Valley, near Fargo, and moving down towards the border with South Dakota, temperatures are in the 40s. Up north in the Northern Red River Valley, up in areas especially near Langdon, temperatures only get up to around 34. So let's take a look about what may be going on here. First, by taking a look, let's take a look at Fargo, North Dakota, and the evolution of the temperature forecast here. Today, November 10th, the high is still below normal, although warmer than what we had yesterday. Moving into this weekend, the temperatures move around near freezing, and then into next week, they get it back near normal temperatures for Fargo this time of year. There will be a similar pattern elsewhere in the area, although areas further north, near Grand Forks and up the Canadian border, will have less of a warm-up, and therefore it won't be as drastic of a temperature change. So what are the reasons for why this temperature change is different? There's a couple different reasons for the local variability in temperature this time of year. Some of these influences are snow cover, terrain and land use, cloud cover, and additional precipitation. First, let's take a look at snow cover. To start out, we have the observed snow depth. In the Southern Valley, for example, areas around Fargo, we have traced to 2 inches as the measurement for snow. Further north, in Grand Forks, Devil's Lake, and Baudette area, there is more snow on the ground. So what kind of impact does the snow on the ground have on temperature? With this slide, we can side by side compare the difference in temperature and the difference in snow depth. In the areas that have highs in the 40s on Tuesday, there is little to no snow on the ground. Areas that have lows staying in the 30s, particularly even going to the lower 30s, do have snow on the ground. So snow on the ground leads to cooler highs. Moving back into the forecast, we can talk about some of the other impacts that can happen. On Tuesday, for example, They will be especially variable that day due to the chance of the mixed precipitation. Cloud cover will lead to lower high temperatures during the day, and additional snow precipitation will also lead to lower high temperatures. So areas that are likely to be cloudy and snowy will not be getting as warm as areas with less clouds and without the snow. Thank you for taking the time to listen to me today. If you have any additional questions about this event or anything else related to the weather, please contact us at the National Weather Service in Grand Forks, North Dakota. You can call us with the number on here, check out our website, or engage with us on social media.